The drill bit was old and quite dull, making metal drilling very difficult. So, for proper sharpening the drill, you need to fulfill several conditions. I have to make a separate video for this, but I will say only the main thing. So, for proper sharpening the drill, you need to fulfill several conditions. Symmetry at the apex angle, usually 120 degrees. 1. The symmetry of the angle at the top. Now I'll show you how I'll sharpen this. First, we need to secure the grinder firmly. Next, you need to set up your grinder. The grinding wheel surface needs to be prepared. Grinding wheels should not have radial and end vibrations. You can level the grinding surface of stones with a special diamond pencil. The distance from the auxiliary platform of your grinding machine to the grinding stone should be minimal. For convenience of sharpening the drill bit, draw several lines at an angle of 60 degrees on the auxiliary area of your grinding machine. A small piece of wood is needed to fix the 60-degree angle. This small piece of wood will help you hold the drill bit at the correct angle during the sharpening process. Also, for safety purpose, never work with a grinding machine with gloves. How to position a grinding drill bit. Place your index finger on the pad. Put the drill on your finger. You must keep the drill parallel to the lines and the cutting edge of the drill to be horizontal. The drill at the beginning of the sharpening need to keep horizontally. Also, point the drill bit up 7 to 10 degrees too. Cutting edges should be as identical. As soon as the drill touches the grindstone, you direct its end upwards. You should strive to ensure that at the beginning of sharpening the metal is cut off less. And at the end, cut off more. You provide a sharpening angle of 7 to 10 degrees, which was discussed in paragraph 3 of the sharpening rules. Constantly cool the drill in the water 3. tilt angle for near sharpening is 7 to 10 degrees. Do not change the position of your hands. You only have to turn the drill. Then your sharpening will be as symmetrical as possible. After you learn how to sharpen the drill bit correctly, you can try to reduce this jumper. I do this sharpening on the same grinding wheel, and I hold the drill at about 45 degrees. Repeat this until the two sides are as equal as possible. After cutting the jumper, I once again sharpen the cutting edges. If you learn how to do extra sharpening tops, you really will become a master of drill sharpening. And different devices for sharpening, and the mass of video on YouTube for such devices will cause you to smile. The best adaptation is the knowledge of theory and the availability of practice. I wish you success in this matter. Ask your questions in the comments. I will answer all.